Handicrafts are creative expressions made by hand, reflecting cultural traditions and heritage. They preserve artisanal techniques and support local communities, showcasing the craftsmanship passed down through generations. The handicrafts business dates back to ancient civilizations. It gained prominence in medieval Europe with guilds in Italy and France, formalizing production and trade. Guilds ensured quality and promoted various crafts. Handicrafts encompass diverse forms like textile weaving, embroidery, knitting, pottery, and paper crafts. Each type involves unique techniques, from interlacing threads on a loom to folding paper in origami. Key tools for handicrafts include cutting scissors, adhesives, rulers, and paintbrushes. Techniques range from sewing and embroidery to pottery wheel methods and paper crafting. Proper tools and techniques enhance creativity and precision. To sell handicrafts online, identify your target audience and create a unique selling proposition. Establish an online presence with high-quality photos, share your story, offer customization, and provide exceptional customer service. Engage with customers through social media and craft fairs to grow your business.